All right, on to our last cost flow assumption, weighted average. Here we go. I still set it up in the same way. Weighted average, separate my sheet into the cost of goods sold calculation and the ending inventory calculation. All right, so remember we had 2 sales days, August 14th and August 31st. On August 14th, we sold 20 units. On the 31st, we sold 23 units. We're trying to figure out what's the cost of those 20 units. So on August 14th, we sold 20 units at a cost of to be determined, right? We should say to be calculated. We have to calculate that. So let me show you the formula. Okay, so your formula is cost of goods available over units available. Okay, that's how we get our average cost. So let's give it a try. On August 14th, let's go up to our data. Oh, that was my cat. On August 14th, let's go up to our data and see what was the cost of all the goods we had available. So on August 14th, here's everything we had available. Okay, 10 units at 91, 15 at 106. 10 at 91 plus 15 at 106. 15 at 106. The units we had available, 10 and 15 units. Okay, math that out. I get, it simplifies out to 2,500 over 25, or an average cost of 100. Again, I like to do a reality check, so I just go and I make sure that that 100 is somewhere in between, right? Because it should be the average. So it should be somewhere in between the 91 and the 106, skewing a little bit closer to the 106 since you had more units. All right, yay, feel better about that. So now we know our average cost for the August 14th sale was $100. Yay. There we go. Now let's do it again for August 31st. 23 units at an average cost of, I don't know, to be determined. It can't still be the $100 because we've had additional goods purchased, right? Remember we had a purchase on the 17th here and on the 28th. So our inputs have changed. So we need to recalculate it. Same. Okay, so now let's calculate our average cost for August 31st. Now let me show you the piece that most students miss. Remember, we had 25 units available on August 14th. Okay, so that means we still have 5 units left, right? So let me go back and show you. Right, we had 25 units available for the August 14th sale, but we only sold 20. So you have 5 units left. Don't forget about those. That's probably the most common oversight on this method. And those had an average cost of 100. Okay, once we calculate that average cost, the original cost, the 91, the 106, those go away. Now add your other 2 purchase dates, the 17th, from the 17th and the 28th. 20 units at 115, 10 at 119. 20 at 115 and 10 at 119. Bring down your unit. 5 plus 20 plus 10. I get that being over 35, average cost of 114. That gives us a cost of goods sold of 2622. add it up to find your total cost of goods sold for the month. I would probably just go back and make sure it falls between our FIFO and LIFO number. I think our LIFO number was like 4730, right? Scroll back up, you can see it, 4730. And your FIFO number was 4570. Okay, so average cost should be somewhere in the middle, just checking. All right, so we did that. Now we have to solve for our ending inventory on August 31st. You have 12 units left because we always have 12 units left, right? They tell us we have 12 units left. 12 units. And if they didn't tell us, we could just figure it out ourselves, right? Add this up, 25, 45, 55, minus 43. Right, what we had available minus what we sold gives us what we have left. Now, at least this part will be easy under ending inventory. You have 12 units left at that average cost of 114. And we can use the last average cost because we didn't have any new purchases. Okay, if we had another purchase, you know, maybe the sale was August 31st, but we had maybe the sale was August 30th, and then we had a purchase on August 31st. So that means we'd have additional purchase that we'd have to recalculate for. But in this example, thank goodness, we do not. All right, and that gives us 1,260. Do your check. Okay. Okay. That is my needy cat. Yeah. All right, do your check. I think you still get, let's see, should be close, if not exact. 1240. Let's add it up. Sometimes the weighted average isn't exact because if there's rounding, you know. No, not right. Like quite a bit on 5990. Let's see. Yeah, we probably feel like my students, buddy. Oh yeah, I think I have my math wrong. I apologize. That's why. Thank goodness for that check. My math was wrong there. 12 units at 114 is 1368. That's what it was. Now you'll get the check of 5990. And that's why we have the check. All right. You made it through all three. Yay. Woohoo. In the next video, we'll do a quick summary of how the gross profit calculation will be different under these three methods. All right, see you then.